Hello, I'm Jenny and I'm going to be showing you how to download Android Studio onto your computer in this video. So in order to create your own Android application, you need to download Android Studio. It's completely free to download on any type of personal computer. So you will only need a personal computer or laptop that you're allowed to download things onto, and a browser that you can download it from. So you go into Google Chrome, type in Android Studio, and the first link should be for downloading the Android Studio. Now it shouldn't matter what type of computer you have. I'm using a Windows device with Windows 10 installed, but it should be fine to download it on any kind of Windows or Mac, Linux or Chrome device. I'm just going to click download Android Studio, agree to the terms and conditions, and click download Android Studio for Windows, and it will then hopefully download the executable into your downloads folder. Okay, so once your executable is fully downloaded, it does take a while, probably about 5 minutes or so, you can open it. You need to click yes to this, next, 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 and then install. Next again, and then finish. Okay, so this is the type of view that you want to see in Android Studio. You can have a sort of black background with lit up writing, which can be quite more relaxing for the eye when you're coding. I personally prefer the light version, so I'm going to click light and then next, and then finish. Now this bit can take a while. This is sort of the final stage of the downloads. It's getting all the extra libraries and things installed onto your device. Okay, so once that's all finished downloading, it should look a little bit like this. If at any point throughout the download you get a Windows pop-up asking for permission for the application to change your device, you need to click yes, otherwise the download won't be allowed to go through. Okay, so once you get to this screen, you then click finish, and that's it. Android Studio is now on your device. And before you start any Android Studio project, you'll get to this stage and you'll probably end up clicking the Start Android Studio project or open an existing project that you're working on. So that's it. Thank you.